Okay, let's start with these stacks here. Watch the pallet jack.
All right, I'll grab the first one.
Keep them coming, we're ahead of schedule. All right, last pallet on the left. I'll grab the strap. Tray number 47, 48.4 kilograms, all within spec.
Total received 48,000 eggs. Quality check passed.
Fertility rate, 96%. Excellent batch. Ready for incubation.
Birth weight 42 grams. Right on target. Healthy chick. All chicks healthy. Growth rate on target. Continue standard feeding protocol. Week 2 average, 320 grams. Growth curve perfect. Continuing standard protocol.
The feed consumption is up slightly in Section 3.
Okay, I just checked the water flow. It seems consistent.
2.8 kilograms. Perfect processing weight.
Week 4, average 1.2 kilograms, right on the growth curve.
Yep.
Feed consumption normal.
No health issues.
Perfect. 2 more weeks and they're ready.
$2.8 kilograms. Perfect processing weight. This bird is ready.
All birds at target weight, 2.8 kilograms average, ready for processing. Send the transport team now.
That's the KFC taste. Ready?
The marinade levels are dropping faster than expect on this one. I see that. Adjusting the input now.
Wings, 200 boxes. Drumsticks, 150 boxes. Breast, 180 boxes. All loaded. Truck sealed and ready for delivery.
Okay, let's get this opened up. Careful with those boxes, they're heavy.
We're ready for them. Got the count sheet right here?
Right on time. We've been waiting for this delivery.
Fresh from the facility. All boxes.
How long on the wings?
Another 2 minutes on the timer.
Order up for the front counter.
Here is your order. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. Have a good one.
Oh, wow, there it is. That looks incredible.
Oh, wow. This is incredible.
You know, thinking about how much work goes into making this.
And it's worth every bite.
The destination of everything that started on the farm.
This looks so good, I can't decide.
Let's just get the 12-piece bucket and share everything.
Enjoy your KFC. Have a great day. Thank you. This is always amazing.
And here is your large bucket, sir. Have a great day. Here you go, try this piece.
Absolutely perfect. Cheers, everyone.
This is the best chicken ever.